Okay, O2 Ducati Monster. This is the dark edition, dark schmark. They're basically all the same 750s. So what you gotta do? I'm gonna change the battery. Battery just came in that priority mailbox. I'm gonna use a gel battery. I don't know when the last time I changed the battery. Get your key. Take off your seat. Right there with the key. You know how to do that. Operates that mechanism. Wow. I have to show you that. I've got a tank bag. These are awesome. And then a tank cover, should I say, which attaches to a tank bag. And this is my old Ducati, so I'm thinking good thing I get the tank bra, yeah. The tank is all hammers. So I ride hard, bro. Whatever. Okay, anyway, show you guys what's gonna. Oh. Alright, the replacement battery came in. I got it for $32 on eBay. When you do the search, quick tip. Sorry. Search it by, find out what kind of battery you need first of all. And then search it by the battery code. On this one is a YT12B4. It can be a YT12BS. The B4 designation designates that it's a gel battery. I would highly recommend you getting a gel battery. Putting the date on the battery install. I installed this battery. I was rushing. I gotta, but didn't put the date. But I know it was right around 2016. So I got 3 years out of it. Aloha. Mapuno. I see this. This is the mod with the doggone cut the air box and put the can in filter. Did all that. I'm probably gonna service the filter too today. I might as well spray some Simple Green on there, clean it out, and oil it up again. It's been a while. Aloha. So as you can see, there is some trapped debris in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this thing out. So what you want to do is you want to spray it from the inside out. You don't want to trap all of that junk in there, so you can spray it this way. Yeah? Spray it inside from the inside out. Alrighty, what I did too is I added some this is flame retardant heat resistant shield, which kind of protects my gas or my fuel or my petroleum from overboiling. You want to be aware too, right here. See, your intakes are open and they're vulnerable. So while you got your air filter off, you want to be aware of that. Maybe put a rag on there, which I'm looking around right now. Okay, aloha. And when you're done, rinsing it off with regular water, shoot it all down with Simple Green, let it soak for about 15 minutes. Put it out and don't let that Simple Green dry. Put it out on your pineapples here and dry it out. Dry them out on the pineapples so you'll have pineapple power. Okay, just a quick tip. I put a little tape here because if you look, the angle of the tray is angled to the rear. So that thing tends on sliding out and getting lost in Never Never Land. So just look, and then once you got it screwed on, you can go ahead and take that tape off. The other one will be held snugly in here. I'm thinking about putting a piece of tape there too to kind of hold it in place so it doesn't kind of slide off into its own Neverland. Okay. Another quick tip I learned is to always, you know, when you're connecting these battery tender leads, I snip the ends, so I cheat, so I can just slide them right inside like this and tighten it down instead of having to fumble around. If you've ever connected one of these, you know what I mean, because the screw is not going to be long enough. You're going to have to jiggle the bottom, and it's just crazy. Just cut a little cheater. You're good to go. Aloha. So there we go. New battery install. Time, date, stamp. You know what you gotta watch out for too is sometimes these will come out, and you don't want to lose that pin in this bracket because it's gonna be a bad day. So be careful that you be gentle. And that's about it. My air filter is baking out there. And I'm going to wait till it dries, coat it with oil, put it back in here. It was really dirty, raw. Wow, and I sprayed that thing out. Ooh, man. Okay. Aloha. Malama pono.